Hello students, hope you all are healthy and welcome once again to my class. Today we will start the first chapter of geography for revision of periodic test, and the chapter is our environment. So today we will revise the topics natural environment, domains of the environment. So first let's begin with the introduction. What is environment? We all are aware about the word environment. हम सब बहुत अच्छे से environment शब्द को जानते हैं या हम उसको सुन चुके हैं. But what is environment? The word environment comes from the French word environner. And what is the meaning of environner? Neighborhood. Meaning of environner is neighborhood. So we can say that environment is everything that surrounds us, or everything that is present around us are called environment. For example, if we are in our home or at our home, we are surrounded by our household things. हम किन चीज़ों से घिरे होते हैं? अपने घर के सामान से, and with our family. So this is our home environment. And when we are at playground, और जब हम खेल के मैदान में होते हैं, we are surrounded by our sporting gears, means sport equipments, and our friends. So we can say that both the environments are different. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि दोनों जगह के environment different हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि घर पे हम घर की चीज़ों से और अपने परिवार से घिरे हुए थे, तो वहाँ का environment दूसरा हो गया, और हम खेल के मैदान में अपने खेल के equipments और अपने friends से surround थे, और इसलिए वो हमारा दूसरा environment हो गया. Same as if we'll move from city to village or from village to city, the environment will change. तो शहर से गांव का जो environment होगा, वातावरण होगा, वो change होगा. Now, what includes environment? So environment includes air, water, plants, animals, everything that is around us. That is environment. Now, environment can have two components. First one, natural component, and the next one is human component. What are natural components? The components that are made naturally, that are formed naturally, जो प्राकृतिक तौर से बने हैं, इंसानों ने उसको नहीं बनाया है, that are not made by humans, are called natural environment. Whereas the things that are made by humans, वो चीजें जो इंसान द्वारा बनाई गई हैं, that are known as human environment or human component. So first one topic is natural environment. What is natural environment? Natural environment is a combination of all living and non-living components of the environment that are naturally formed. Natural environment क्या है? वो कॉम्बिनेशन है सारे लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग कंपोनेंट्स का, जो कि नेचुरली बनी हुई हैं, which are not formed by the humans. And natural environment or this type of environment is also known as physical environment. Now, natural environment has two components. First one is biotic and second one is abiotic. What is biotic? जैविक. And abiotic, ajaivic. All the living things like plants, animals are biotic components. So all plants and animals which are living are in the category of biotic components. And abiotic, all non-living things like soil, stone, rocks which cannot grow are abiotic components. Now our next one topic is domains of the earth. The component of natural environment include water, air, plants, animals, and so on. And domains of environment, there are 4 domains of our environment. The first one is the lithosphere, the second one is the hydrosphere, the third one is the atmosphere, and the fourth one is biosphere. Now, what is lithosphere? The word lithosphere came from the Greek word litho, which means rocks. लिथोस्फीयर शब्द कहाँ से आया है? ग्रीक के शब्द लिथोस से आया है, जिसका मतलब होता है रॉक्स. एंड लिथोस्फीयर इज द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन विच वी आर लिविंग. And lithosphere consists soil, and soil which is helpful for plants, animals and many living organisms. लिथोस्फीयर क्या है? जमीन की वो सतह जहाँ पे हम रह रहे हैं. And lithosphere supports many life of plants and organisms, living organisms on the earth. And it includes forest, grasslands, different types of landforms and fertile land are part of lithosphere. ये सभी हिस्सा है lithosphere का. Now our next one topic is, now what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere. Hydro. The meaning of hydro is water. Hydro का मतलब क्या होता है? Water. And the hydrosphere comprises all water bodies and sources found on earth. तो हाइड्रोस्फीयर के अंतर्गत कौन सी चीजें आती हैं? जितने भी सोर्सेज हैं जहां से पानी आता है, जहां से पानी पृथ्वी पे, अर्थ पे मौजूद है, that all sources are called hydrosphere, or all water bodies are called hydrosphere. Water is around 71% of the earth surface. तो हमारी पृथ्वी का लगभग 71% जो हिस्सा है वो क्या है? पानी, वाटर बॉडीज से कवर्ड है. एंड द सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर ऑन द अर्थ इज रिवर्स, लेक, गल्फ्स एंड सीज, ओशियंस. These are the water bodies or water sources present on the earth. Now, Earth is the only planet in our solar system on which water is present. That's why our Earth is also known as blue planet, because of the presence of water. Because of the presence of water on the Earth, it is also called blue planet. Water is present on the Earth or available on the Earth in all matters, in all states, like solid, liquid and gas. तो पृथ्वी पे पानी तीनों फॉर्म में मौजूद है, solid, liquid और gaseous. And water is essential for all forms of life present on the earth, and it is essential for different activities or for our day-to-day life. Water is very important for us. So water is very necessary for us for our daily requirement. Now the next one topic is the atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The blanket of the air surrounding the earth is known as the atmosphere. तो एयर की वो ब्लैंकेट जिससे हमारा अर्थ है कवर्ड है, that is known as atmosphere. Now what is air? So air is mixture of gases, dust particles and water vapor. Now different gases present on our earth like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, neon and hydrogen. And nitrogen is present on the most abundant amount. और सबसे ज़्यादा पर्याप्त मात्रा में कौन सी गैस मौजूद है हमारे अर्थ पे? वो है नाइट्रोजन. Almost 78% of nitrogen is present on our earth and 21% of oxygen is present on our earth. And atmosphere is very important because it protects us from ultraviolet rays that came from the sun, जो सूरज से यूवी रेसेस आती हैं, अल्ट्रावायलेट रेसेस आती हैं, उनसे हमें कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है? एटमॉस्फेयर. नाउ our fourth domain of the earth is the biosphere. What is biosphere? The lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere comprise non-living components. तो अभी तक हमने देखा कि लिथोस्फीयर, हाइड्रोस्फीयर और एटमॉस्फेयर में जो भी चीज़ें मिली, चाहे वो सॉयल हो, चाहे वाटर या तो एयर, ये चीज़ें क्या थी? नॉन लिविंग कॉम्पोनेंट्स थे. But the biosphere, however, is a sphere of life. जबकि जो बायोस्फीयर है वो कौन सा सरफेस है, कौन सा स्फीयर है? It provides life. So biosphere is found where hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere meets and interact with each other. जहाँ पे लिथोस्फीयर, हाइड्रोस्फीयर और एटमॉस्फेयर मिलते हैं, एक दूसरे से इंटरैक्ट करते हैं और जिसकी वजह से लाइफ प्रोड्यूस होती है. दैट स्फीयर इज नोन एज बायोस्फीयर. बायोस्फीयर इज द यूनिक स्फीयर ऑफ लाइफ दैट इज ओनली फाउंड ऑन आवर प्लैनेट. द बायोस्फीयर कंप्राइजेस अ वैरायटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स, फूड, माइक्रोब्स, plants, bacteria, animals, etc. So here we finish our topic. Read the chapter properly for your revision and don't forget to give your attendance in the comment section. Write down your name, your class and your section. Thank you, class.